All right, so here we are working through finding the derivative again, and you will notice that we have a variable expression times another variable expression. Now, usually we try to simplify things. The issue here is that even if you simplify, even if you FOIL this out, you're still going to have a variable times a variable. So that's the reason why they do indicate that we need to use the product rule. So remember, from the product rule process, we have like our little t-chart here. The first function is the 9x to the 8th minus 5x to the 9th. And then our second function would be 7e to the x minus 3. Now, for the first function, everything's going to be pretty standard. We'll have 72 from the 9 times 8, and then x to the 7th. And then 9 times 5 will give us 45, x to the 8th power. Meanwhile, our 7 is a coefficient, it will tag along, and then we remember that our e to the x simply goes to e to the x. So that will be 7 e to the x. And then our -3 is a standalone constant, so that goes to 0. So for our product rule, what we will do is we will do our crisscross starting in the upper right-hand corner. Remember that when we plug into our product rule, we want to plug in with parentheses. So this is going to be our y prime. We're going to have parentheses 7 e to the x minus 3, parentheses 72 x to the 7 minus 45 x to the 8th, and then plus parentheses the other diagonal. So 9x to the 8th minus 5x to the 9th times 7e to the x. Now, you could expand that out. However, the homework software is not going to ask that you expand that out. So this is your final answer.